Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. In today's video, I'm collaborating with Sarah from 25 Sweetpeas. We're actually doing a 3-part collab, so you'll get a new video today, tomorrow, and the day after. So we're doing a weekend mani collab and we're going to be sharing 3 aesthetic and cute manicure ideas. So let's get started. The first manicure of today that I'll be showing you is super easy. All you'll need is a light pink polish and a gold polish, and you can really be creative with the gold polish. You could choose a metallic one or a sparkly one. Anything will do. This is a really simple manicure. I wanted to kind of start simple, and then by Sunday I'm going to have kind of a more intricate design to show you, so I thought today would be a good day to start really simple. So all you'll need is paint 4 of your nails with the pink polish. You could actually do 3 if you wanted to, and then choose your accent nails and paint those with gold. And I decided to choose this gold glitter just because I thought it was super pretty, but I really wanted to include this manicure in the weekend because I have been obsessed with pink and gold as a combination lately, so I think it's really pretty. So at the end here, all you'll want to do is wait for your nails to dry for a few minutes and then apply some glossy top coat. This would look really pretty with a matte top coat too, but I don't have one at the moment, so I decided to do glossy. And I just think this is so pretty. It's so simple. It's literally just 2 polishes, but it's gorgeous. And especially if you want to do kind of a salon manicure at home look, this is a really great option. I really like combinations like this, and I think it's really gorgeous. So I'm super happy with how this one turned out. And if you want to see what polishes I used, I will try to link them below in the description box. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Sarah's video as well. The links will be in the description box down below. And definitely check back tomorrow for another video. So if you're new from Sarah's channel, hi, I hope you'll stick around. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you tomorrow with another video. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!